Just a holiday quickie here for you, making these Christmas ornaments for my mother, and trying to get them sanded down so they look pretty. Using the old upside down belt sander trick. Was working pretty well until the damn thing stopped. I thought it was clogged up with sawdust, so I cleaned it out. Still wasn't turning. Get it over here. Uh-oh, what is this? Melted plastic is usually a pretty bad sign. Excuse my total lack of professional lighting. Get it open. I've already had this thing open. This is a recreation for the internet. And this drive pulley originally came out with that piece of plastic housing because, as you can see, it just rides right on the plastic casing. So any prolonged usage of the Ryobi CS1036 will cause enough friction to melt this housing, bind this thing right into it, and thereby tear up the belt. There you go. Happy Thanksgiving.